Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, I've been saying that this move up could be a correction to this move down, but boy, it is very impulsive, especially today. I think the clue is that it rejected structure. It definitely didn't break and hold below structure, but ever since it did that, it has been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We definitely didn't get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to the downside on the sort of time frames. If this move up right here was a correction to this move down, I would have expected to see it bouncing off one of these fib levels and kind of like what happened here, but it never did break structure here. So it never broke structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, but instead it kept on making higher highs, higher lows, which means that we are in an uptrend. Now maybe it just goes up and makes like a double top and then turns down like we expected. Maybe it just keeps on trending up. The higher time frame trend is very, very up. So we had to definitely keep in mind that the trend is up, and we always need to keep in mind those very high time frames because the trend is your friend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.